If you've been trying to make money online for more than even 2 minutes, then you've probably heard of Clickbank and what a potential goldmine it is for affiliate marketing. Clickbank is the perfect affiliate platform. It's easy to get an account, simple to find products to promote, and no nonsense when it comes to getting your affiliate links. The problem that many beginning and even intermediate marketers face is that they just can't crack the Clickbank code. It's almost like those who know what to do, the insiders, are raking in the cash, hand over fist, while everyone else, the outsiders, struggle to make even a single sale. And it used to be that way for a very long time, until one day when something appeared on the scene that changed all that. What was it? The entire Clickbank landscape changed on the day when Clickbank University was born. It is, without a doubt, one of the most popular online marketing courses, and numerous customers have benefited from its content and training. It started out with version 1.0, but since then, the 2.0 version has come out and is not only an improvement on the first release, but it's also bigger and better than 1.0 ever was. Several Clickbank University members have left extremely positive testimonials about the quality and effectiveness of the training, sharing how it bridges the knowledge gap that has always prevented beginners from succeeding with Clickbank. That seems like a lot of hype, doesn't it? Well, follow me to the next video and we'll see if Clickbank University 2.0 lives up to the hype.